Hello everyone. Welcome for a new session, new live session, February 14. Happy Valentine's Day. This is the US 30. عنه بقاله طعم يعني بس انه let's see. Yes, back on track for blue. Amazing weekly overview so far. Let's see. Our 14 Feb was an amazing start. خلينا ناخد هات نشوف how to resume this. The support is here again. The cell is on the same track. Okay, let's remove هيدا. Okay, support again. This is the resistance again. First one. Second one. And potential up if it resumes. Potential down if it resumes. Already we had the move down بالداو. عملت wake up إذا بتلاحظوا على الديلي. عملت الويك up على الديلي الصبح. رجعت كملت الفرطة تبعها. So it was a nice sell. حتى على الفور اور بلشت عملت الويكس ونزلت يعني بلشت فتحت this is 14 فاب هيك سكر 11 فتح على ال 14 طلع عمل ويك ورجع نزل ضله مهدد فرط الفرطة وكسرها so it was an amazing sell لليو اس 30. Let's see now how the 15 minutes will be and 5 minutes. What 2 minutes till the US open 2 minutes. اليوم was a very good day as a start. دغري بظرف ربع ساعة صابوا الجي بي بي جي بي واي يو اس 30 اي يو دي دولار يورو دولار وبالليل كان الجولد. So it was amazing. Nice guys. Nice Sandra. Yep, it was a nice one. So let's see. 1 minute 18. Let's see the 5-minute candle. If we will do sort of double top or we will break up to fill this wick. Two options available. Let's see. 30 seconds. Now if it moves up بيكون عامل 3 black rows down and then في مجال يكمل طالعة. إذا كمل نازلة بتكون sort of double top بس تنشوف. Let's see the first reaction of the market. Let's see the first reaction of the market. New candle. Small wick down. هلا will it be the support and it start move up or will it close will it break more down? First move it's up. Is this a support created that can be start move down also? Let's see. لهلا first reaction up. Still up. seems شكلها رح تكمل طلعة، والمومنتوم عم تكون أكتر لهلا بولش، يعني عم تشد أكتر طلوع. بس let's see إذا رح تقدر تكسر هيدا الريزيستنس وكيف. If it will break this resistance and how it will break it. If 2.5 minutes from the US Open so far. The market is still not clear. But it's still pushing up. بعدني أكتر view أكتر bullish, more than bearish so far. We are in the bullish more than bearish until it breaks the support. Let's see if it will break the new support. Now we have a new support at this level, which is this one for a scalp. If it's breaking down, so it can be a sell after rejection. يكون عم يعمل rejection and it can break down. Let's see. I will have my sell. أخذت السell تبعي. Whoa, nice guys. 10 pips, 11 pips sell. Wow, perfect sell. It closed the first sell. Nice, and still moving down. Nice, guys. This is an amazing sell. Congrats for whoever took this trade for the new support. Nice. Oh, 16 Edgar, 7 Rami, Anthony, 11 still moving down. 15 Elias, 18 love you man, long time. Miguel, 12, Joe, 11, nice. Another 8, Jenny, King 30, nice. Another 9, Elias, 10, خلاص, it's enough. 20, Simon, Lara, nice, 10, perfect, Lara, Bashar, 15, Alisar, 10, guys, amazing sell, amazing. Hello, we'll explain how we took the sell. 30 pips, Tony, perfect, 15, Fuad, 10, 17, Victor, yalla guys, nice. Peter, 33, happy Valentine's Day. So now هلا على الوردة صار حقها how many pips 31 ربيع شربل nice 30 زينب 24 took both cells nice yes amazing 30 total both cell رائد perfect طارق 9 perfect guys. I will send on the telegram my trade. Let's see قد ايه عطتني. انا سكرتها almost على 11 12 pips تقريبا. Let's see how much. ان شاء الله ما تكون اقل، اذا اكثر ما بزعل. 10 حسن perfect حسن واو and it's rejecting. هلا it's waking wake up. يمكن نكمل ويك فل نزول but اذا اخذين already 1 or 2 trade it's more than enough. Perfect. 34 649 34 633. It is 16 pips guys, 16 pips. Happy Valentine's Day. My crush is US 30. 4-second trade. 4-second trade, guys. 4 seconds. I will send it full on Telegram. Congrats, a new start of the week. Now it filled all the wick up and it filled all the wick down for a sell. It seems a high potential of moving down if it breaks the support, the previous low. Very smooth trade. I will explain in few how we took this trade. smooth. هيني كتير كانت تريد هيدي، بس رح فسرها كيف أخذناها. Another 7 pip فؤاد. Perfect guys, perfect. This is an amazing start of the week between our 31 on second sell. Nice George. Nice, nice. Build the runner on 18, new pips. Perfect. Guys, what a Monday. Do you remember when I say sometimes you have a bad week, which means no big profits, and sometimes we'll have an amazing weeks. This is the start of an amazing week. It started like all the other week, more than the profit of all the other week. So that's amazing. Congrats. مبروك لكل الأشخاص اللي أخذوها. Happy Valentine. Hey. Hey. Oops. Hey. Enjoy. يا الله. Congrats. Every good has a silver lining. ما فهمت شيء من الجملة زياد. Every cloud has a silver. Okay, cloud. Okay. Yep. That's it. That's it. True. True. Sending this to the Telegram. Amazing trade. Let's see, guys on YouTube. Did you get this trade? Did you get this trade? 14, George. 3 seconds. Perfect, George. Same like me almost. Very smooth trade, by the way. Very smooth trade. This is how much we love US 30. Even it could be more, yeah, it could be like 40 pips for people who took it. But I closed it at almost 16 pips. Okay, so this is our trade. This is our trade. Where are we? It's here. Oh, this is our lovely trade on US 30. 34, 649, 34, 63, almost like 33, 17, 21, 4-second trade. Perfect study, perfect moving. And this is why I'd say always we must move with the market, because we move مع الماركت. يعني غيرنا عن مطرح ما فتحنا. هلا رح نحكي كلها. And by the way guys, starting this Saturday, we will have our back test session, which means, so we will go again through every trade we take during this week on US 30. It will be the US 30 back testing session, which means we will reopen the market here, and we will check step by step how it moved up and how we took the sell, how we made the profit. So it will be so educational from now on. Total 26 pips, nice. So we will go through it every single Saturday. If I can't, Saturday, we'll keep it for next Saturday, but usually I'll try to make it every Saturday, of course, but sometimes we have things to do, not always. Sometimes it will be a Q&A also, like the Friday Community Call. مثل Friday Community Call رح تكون Q&A، تسألوا أسئلتكم، نوقف نشوف إذا بناخدها live again, and we see how it moved and how we make the trade. So it will be almost a 2 hours session. Ali, 11 pips. We will send on the groups. It will be like 9 till 11 here. It will be your time 7 till 9. Beirut time and Oman time. Here in Dubai, it will be 9 to 11 or 9:30. I will check what time. So let's get back and see here as the first part how we took this trade. We'll get the replay from the side here. Okay, this is the US Open, guys. This is the US Open. The market was here. Sorry. Yes. Okay, let's go to the lowest speed, and then we had a wick up after it opened. We had a wick up. Okay, this is not not a back testing. This is a replay. 1 second. Of course, this back testing is with the software of the back testing. Okay, so let's see. I will open. Wait. Okay, so first we had the support here. For the first time, we had the support here, we were saying if it breaks below this كنا عم نقول إذا كسرت تحت هيدا الليفل if we break below 34608 we should have clean traffic and move to 34565 at least. But after this we said if we break up for the buy we will have a wick fill رح يكون عندنا wick fill من فوق إذا كسرت لوح and then we'll have the buy for a wick fill ترجع نكمل طلع and then it moves up. So what happened is after the US Open this candle start like this. We had a wick down exactly at the same level of this 34657 and then it started to push up. We had the push up. So we made a new support. We said that now we have a new support, this one, which is 34657. And if it happened to have a rejection and start to break the support, so we will go for a buy. يعني في حال طلع هلا هالطلعه كان عم يطلع عمل ريجكشن منا ونزل وبلش يكسر هيدا السبورت we might have all this area this range for a sell ممكن يكون عندنا كل هيدي المنطقه للبيع. So what happened, this is the new candle رح تعطيني the full candle, it will give you the full candle but that's okay. What happened that it opened, made a wick down, add the support and start to move up 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 up. It went up to this level and then start a big rejection. This is the first move of the market. The first move of the US 30 كان الموف كلها أول واحدة مش الويك اللي عملها. Not the first wick, it was all the wick up. And then it made the rejection. عملت الريجكشن بلش ينزل 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 وبلش يحضر تيكسر السبورت. هون I was getting ready. بلشت تحضر طبيعي يعني start to move down 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 all the way. We have now a big rejection here. And as you can see, let's see it here. Let's make this. Now we have a big rejection at this level, okay? And then we have a break of this level. It's breaking the support, breaking the new support, and that's why we identify a new support. من بعد ما عملت أول rejection صار عنا new support which we didn't have at the start of the session. يعني بالاول ما كان عندنا هذا السبورت at the start of the session من بعدها صار عندنا اياه. Okay, that's why we were waiting for this candle to break and this was the right move. هلا كانت الموف الاساسيه النازله تبعها and once it broke this level it started, and this is the red, it started to move down like this and we had all this wick down. I closed it on 16 pips. It kept the way down. Some people kept it for 40 pips, 30 pips. Even it broke the next support. It gave also, after breaking the second support, another 10, 15 pips. Let's see the range. Here it gave like also 18 pips after the second support, which was the main sell. Also, the second sell was optional and you had this profit. Now it's rejecting again. And usually, if it breaks the low of the same candle, it should resume down. Is it clear, guys? Do you have any questions? Now you can ask all your questions. You can start asking your question. We did the analysis, we did the trade. People can go back to their work. People can leave the stream, but people who wants to make their education better and their understanding better, they can raise their hand and then I can open the mic for you guys to ask your questions. So اللي بده يسأل أسئلة زيادة في بكون عم بفتح له المايك ويسأل كل أسئلته. As you can see, it broke again. Look, this is a new rejection, a second rejection down, which means that it will break down so far 10 pips, 15 pips. It might fill the full candle. Now holding on the support. 11 pips, Sandra. Nice. What start, Sandra? Nice, Rami. 14 pips. Perfect, guys. Now don't get more excited. It's enough for today. 30 Rafiq. Abdo. Abu L'Ula. Nice, Rafiq. Filling all this candle. Today it's working super technically. Do you remember last week? Do you remember last week where we were telling like the market is not really clear? Now it's super clear. Today it's super clear. And this is why I always tell you, you have to wait. In the bad trading moment, you have to wait until you have an amazing day. So yeah, last week we had a shaky week. It was profitable, but it was a shaky week. We didn't have the usual profit. But look this week so far, between the weekly overview orders and the other GBP, JPY. Yes. Let's see the JPP, JPY. Also, it was a nice sell in the morning. Look, it was so clear. When we put wick up, this is how it happened. It opened, wick up, and then start to move back down. We had the sell 55.77. It went down to almost 45 pips. Yani before hitting the second, I think, or it hit the second, I know. It was, wait. طلع 3 pips before it hit the TP2. Usually, if we're following up this, you have to close it before. 20, nice. 35 pips, Muhammad. Enough. Of course, it's enough. 27, Sandra. Perfect. Out. 33 pips for today as total. Nice, Johnny. Perfect. Yes, let's check the study. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. This is the start of the week. Blue Monday, Super Blue Monday. Imagine in one day, we made more of all the last week between weekly overview and the weekday US 30, between all the last week in one day. So nice divergence. At the same time, it's not breaking yet. Of course, you cannot take the sell yet because it's not breaking yet. So you need the CCI also to break, not only the William R, because usually William R percentage R is much faster. Okay, as you can see in the daily, in the weekly overview, we had this study. For people who are still in the weekly overview, by the way, still for a swing trade, check what's happening. This is the indicators. You remember, I sent it on the, during the weekly overview, we said it's breaking, and we need a wick up and then start to move down. Now you are still on the sell, guys. You are still on the sell. See, yes, gold, yes, hit stop loss on the buy. The first stop loss today. ثقيل بسيطة. That's okay. It's nothing. 30 pips. Nothing. Part of the game. We have almost like 240 pips. So it's only now 30 pips. That's okay. We'll see a second chance later on. It shouldn't, by the way. It shouldn't. It was a nice, okay, we had, of course, also the sell. The sell yesterday, we had two options. It was like the first time it made a wick up and then moved down. It hit the TP1 and more. And then it moved back again up. So stop loss entry hit. For people who had the second chance, they could take until TP3 40 pips. I didn't. So people who had the buy again here, like making this retracement and having the buy. للعالم اللي اخذوا الباي بعد هذا الريتريسمنت كانت كثير منيحه as up. Look what the rejection. Let me tell you something. This is something you must learn also. Okay. When it went down here, I will delete this. When it went down, it created this support low. Here we had a rejection down and then start to push up again above the support. You have now a rejection for the gold up. So 1858, this was also a buy until it all the way up because it rejected 3 times at this level. Look how much rejection you have. 3 rejection here. Look, this is the new support for the gold. 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejection, and then after this rejection, a big push up. It's breaking all this. And now we have high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Now for the first time you have higher high after a big rejection. This is the very bullish signal. يعني هيدي bullish signal بشكل كتير قوي انه you have to buy at 1859 after this rejection so you can move up again. Look, and it start to move up all the way. Now it should take this and keep the way up, but you know this is the market. It's affected by the US Open. It took it and moved down. That's okay. Now we can aim for a second chance trade. After it breaks again this resistance. If it stopped here, open, new wick, because so far we have low, we have higher low, we have, if we have now for new candle a higher low and it start to push up again to break 1867, we might have a second buy because the formation it's still like this. Let's see خلينا نشوف هلا الفيبوناتشي retracement. Let's see Fibonacci. Oh, also almost 38.2, almost 38.2. يعني if we continue up it should resume up again. إذا كملنا طلعة رح بيكمل طلعة بنعطيها second chance لأنه أخذتها نزلت. إذا سكرت هذه الكاندل هيك فتحت عملت wick down بس احترمت ال previous wick and then start to reject up price action wise, we have a buy on gold. It should have. Good news, guys. I will tell you something for our community, which is good news. We might have, first step, it's the back testing. Second thing, I won't promise 100% because it's not up to me, but we might have, we are testing this for the next months or 1 or 2 months. I think after 2 months, we might have a prolonged session between the gold scalp, not with me, with someone who has a very high rate in this, and after this, the US live session. So we'll have a scalp on gold, and then we'll have a scalp on US 30. Okay. So we are still increasing our product and service. I promised you from the first of this year, like 2022 will be a huge year for us, for our community, in trading and in social selling. The part for Alpha Universe project, we will have the session for members today. So we will have a lot of things that's happening in the next few months to increase the level. We will be the first, we are working to be the only and first community all over the world who give 3 options to make profits in our service. The one with scalping, now you are 30 only. I'm aiming, I'm not promising 100%, but I'm aiming to have it on gold, and you are now in the testing phase. So we'll have 2 ways in the scalp, then the swing with the weekly overview and the indicators and everything, and then the crypto also. So 3 ways to make money in one place just with our community, and no other community now have this thing what we have with live streams and back testing and everything. So any person who's starting with us starting today, and after 6 months from now or 4 months from now till summer, let's stay till summer, he will just look back and see, wow, what happened with me since I start or I joined this community, how much I increased my skills. Yes, sometimes you go in, you go like in a bad month, or sometimes the US 30 is not giving the results. Sometimes you don't wait until you get your skills. But don't forget, guys, this is a journey. This is not something like I want to learn like 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. No, this is a career. As the doctor has a career, as the economist has a career, as the lawyer has a career, as the auditor has a career. If you treat this business as a career, إذا بتعملوا هيدا البزنس ككارير, you will have a lot of profits in the future. إذا بتعملوها كلوتري ticket, and if you treat it like a lottery ticket, I'm not the bad قلت لكم ما بدي يكون هيدا the bad storyteller, but guys, you will never succeed in this business. Yes, you can treat it as a scam. So welcome, guys. Today, you get scammed educationally and profitably, and checked to your account, you were scammed. Okay. So happy scamming Valentine Day. What a scam community we are, yes. Okay. And the best part in this, that we explain how you get scammed. Like Anthony today, we explained how you get scammed. It was 27 pips. I explained how I got scammed with 15 pips. You explain. Yani, of course, every person who must understand how he's getting scammed also. You cannot be scammed just like this. اوكي ادونيس هيكون مفتوحه او بس للممبرشيب. ادونيس always for the membership. Well, we will see. Okay guys, let's get this testing. Okay, Rafi, please can you send me again please your question, because it's too far now. How to become intraday on US 30? Just Faris, Marco, keep watching our live stream for 1 month and you will understand how it will happen. Mark, I usually scalping on US 30. Keep doing this, but follow up what we do. What might affect the tensions between Russia and Ukraine? Look, a lot of people were asking me what is the reflect of the tension between Ukraine and Russia on gold, on oil. It has an impact, but not on our scalp trade. يعني نحن ما خصنا. We trade like 7 seconds. In this 7 seconds and 10 seconds, I don't care what's happening between Russia and Ukraine, to be honest. I don't care what's happening in the Gulf. I don't care what's happening in Afghanistan. I don't care what's happening. This is something for the medium term. For the medium term, as long as the tension will go up, if you are swinging or investing in gold or oil, as much as the tension goes up, as much as the gold, because usually golds love security, love safetyness, love something that it's not like volatile for the market. It should increase. The numbers should increase. The price, the gold price should increase. Oil should increase at some point when it's happening. Okay, so it's the safe haven. So when there is tension on euro, tension on US dollar, and things like this, Eli, I'm just saying we might. Of course, it will be the US, the session, the New York session, but on currencies. Yani 1 hour before the 1 hour and a half before what the US Open, the stock US Open. Yani it will be 1 hour and a half almost before. Yes. So we are working, guys, day and night, to be honest. But everything takes time. Everything takes time. Nothing got faster. got fast. ما في شيء يعني بيجي بس things will get better step by step, especially after Dubai launch. We will have 4th of March. It will be Friday night. So any person who is in Dubai, any person who know anyone in Dubai, he can connect with us and he can be with us. We have the big official launch and in Dubai for our Alpha Universe project with all what we have, and we will launch many new things during the launch. We'll have many surprises, guys. We will have many things that you will it will blow your mind, to be honest. It will be something super wow. I'm so excited for it because we are preparing this. So sometimes I want to tell you things, but I don't want to tell you everything before it's happening, because it might work, it might not work, so we'll change. But at the same time, you will love what you are doing in the next months. Let's see. Gold, yes. Good. Oh, nice. Again, 66.70, 67.70, 10 pips on the second chance. Wow. Second chance gold for people who are exciting for a second chance. Anything. Okay. Yes, this is the double top we were talking about. It almost hit the full target, by the way. Yani sometimes you cannot wait the full target, but yes, it almost hit. What I will say also, that's something you can know, but it's still moving down. Look, the indicators, you are still bearish. You remember, if you don't, you go to your weekly overview again, and that's why I tell you, watch the weekly overview. This is only education and guidance for the market. We said that you are moving down in US 30 because it's breaking, that we have high probability to move down before going up. We need a wick up. This is how you see the daily wick up. It opened, wicked up, and then the first entry could be again after it had the wick up to fill the wick of the previous candle, because this was a very bearish candle. Then you have this break of the support. It was the sell. هون كانت السell لأنه حتى هيدي it's the double top also. The double top neckline, and then closed here again. Sorry, the closed here today. Sorry, this one. Oh my god. Okay, and then closed here and breaking down. It's still breaking down. Look how much rejection we have. Again, rejection. Let's see. We might have, if it resumes down, we might have all the way down till here, especially if US 30 can break this 34, 340 and start a move, swing move. At the same time, we must be careful. We are getting for the 4-hour down, and we might have small rejection before. You have to follow the candles. Euro dollar also, by the way. Euro dollar, we had a very nice sell, and then it wicked up. But first we had, look, all these studies, guys. This is how you watch your market. This is how you get scammed. We had the daily open. Look, everything was perfect today. We had the daily open, wick up, it hit this resistance, rejected from the resistance all the way down, break 1327, moved all the way down to 1303, almost 22 pips. And then backed up again. Okay, back up here. And of course, you must know that it's going back up again after we had this stagnation. Look what happened, guys. This is when I tell you, you manage your risk on the lower time frame. شو قصدي أنا يعني you manage your risk بالlower time frame? Very simple. Look, 1 time, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Now you have a support at this level. Check this. You have a support at this level. So you will expect if it breaks, if it breaks the high of the previous candle already, so you are going up. So there is no way someone who took the sell on euro dollar to go back losing. There is no way. If someone will say to me, oh, today I lost in euro dollar, man, you need to practice. You need to increase your skills. You need to check why it happens with you. So it's so clear. Okay, it was so clear today. And then starting to move up again, down again. Okay, so can you teach me how to count pips on US 30? It's very simple. Very simple, man. US 30. This is so basics. Usually I don't answer these questions. Too much basics. But you have 34, 447, for example. 34444 لل 45 لل 55 10 pips. And you check the last number. This is 1 pip. Okay, Why US 30? What a question. What a question. Do I answer, guys? I don't know. Do I answer? حدا يقول لي please. Why I was born on this earth? لا, I'm just kidding. Guys, it depends. You have to pick one pair, and one pair, يعني you have to pick which pair you are comfortable with. يعني some people pick gold, some people pick GBP, JPY for scalp. For me, I can't wait like so 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 يا الله للتعذر كنا نحن نقول ايام المدرسه كيفها بالاعراب للتعذر او شو اسمه simply because it's the pair I could يعني easily understand and manage to watch like 1 year. It gave me fast trade. And scalp I cannot wait like 10 minutes and 5 minutes to get my scalp trade. It's so fast. And I'm trying to find out the solution, the why. It's so fast. So my trade is 5 seconds, 8 seconds. Yani this is what I need before I get a heart attack waiting the candle to give me 10 pips. I tried GBP, JPY. Sometimes it takes like a 15-minute candle, a 15-minute candle to give me 10 pips. So during that time, I might go to the hospital and have a heart attack waiting this fucking 10 pips to get. So usually I couldn't hold this stress. Gold, I couldn't understand. Yani it's like, I don't know, it's like a normal relation, okay? I have a good relation with my US 30, normal relation. If you talk to a girl or girl talk to a guy and you don't find yourself really communicating in the right way, so I couldn't communicate with other pairs. It was a good communication between me and US 30. So هيك فهم لي عقلي, فهمت له عقله. And now I'm spending my Valentine Day with my US 30. At least, he's taking care of me. he gave me pips. This is someone. Yani it's reliable. I feel I'm the girl part here. So, no, Rami, no. So that's it. This is why US direction is the best. Maybe it's not like the best, it's how much you understand. Yes, I didn't felt chemistry between me and other pairs. Like I felt it's a long distance relation with other pairs, but now here I'm so close to US 30. It's easier. What is a good sniper? You're welcome, Sharbil. What is a good sniper entry? No, Ronnie, no. Euro dollar is another story. It's not cheating. It's more like it's a swing. You know, Dalla Jones is Musam. It's something that you know. So let's see. What it can be a good sniper entry for US 30 at this level if it keeps the way down directly. But you have to be careful. We had a retracement. I was going to tell you something before we close this live stream. كده حلكم شغله ونسكر live stream. So هون check the Fibonacci on 4 hours. It was so obvious the move down. Okay, from 11 February, not even from now. Okay, I didn't mention this on the weekly overview, I think, but I will do it now. So thanks, Adonis. Thanks for the time that you are giving. Even if I'm not in the community, I'm gaining a new skill. That's amazing, Adonis. That's amazing. This is what I want. I want to have profitable traders in this world. Look, 50% retracement on Fibonacci, which made another which made another rejection and then start to move down again, breaking this support. يعني last week the sell for the swing was starting this level. Check my study above. Sniper but risky. Let's see. You remember GBP, JPY, by the way, Maya? It was amazing. Investors Hub, love the humor. Me too. Investor, what's your name and from which country you are? I like your icon, but I don't know the name. So this is Euro, GBP. Oh, I hate this pair. Okay, but yes, it can be. Can be. USD JPY, I don't trade. This is the most crazy pair, which I hate so much. Yes, Euro GBP, yes, because look, the problem with Euro GBP, the positive and the problem. Once you get used to this, I believe every time that you can get used to something, you'll understand the runs he does. Yani, this pair, it does like huge runs, and sometimes you have an amazing retracement. But so far, I didn't focus on this pair. Every time I go into this pair, like I feel like I'm struggling. 50%, 60% success rate maximum. I used to trade. Anthony, sorry, man. Yes, you can ask your question. Anthony, you can unmute and ask your question.
يس هلو عبد الله. كان بدي اسالك بخصوص الجولد. كانوا ستيل ايم لتي بي 2 تي بي 3 وهو لعب على الجولد او
Yes, of course. إذا عم تاخذها swing, if you are taking swing trade, yes, it should go up.
Okay, thank you.
I'm still aim. By the way, it's going up. I think it يعني it was جلقة بس إنه أكيد second third chain. I think gold it's up. The setup. I'm not saying like it's not official what I'm saying, but for me as a swing it should resume up till the TP2 and TP3. But the idea here is that look why even the first time was هيك جلقة كيف رجعت, but we have a clean يعني reverse here, clear reverse. So I don't know how much you can support stop loss. Now it should not break anymore below the previous candle. This is the red flag. If we break below the previous candle, so now this will be bad. You can manage in the lower time frame not to break the same candle, يعني 1664 again. After it made a wick down, it should now resume up, continue to resume up. The problem I'm telling you with scalp, personally, I didn't get used to it easily. That's why if we'll go to the gold, it won't be me so far until I learn it with the person who will be doing it, because he's been like so many years trading on gold. But it's not the fast thing I want. Personally, I get bored. I take gold for swing more than scalp. يعني لما بدي اخذ جولد باخده للسوينج اكثر من سكالب, لانه بيزهقني انه يقعد يلعب علي ساعتين اي بير. يعني السترليني ما حبيته من الموضوع, الجولد ما حبيته. What I love in gold, these things. يعني what, for example, I buy 1858 and stop loss will be like 1853. I wait, and then before this, because it's breaking certain resistance, it should resume. يعني and I close the screen and I go. يعني ما بتحمل اقعد اتفرج عليه بالعربي الدارج. حطه بترك ستوب لوس, بترك هيك بوطي اللوت اكيد. يعني باخذها سوينج بوطي اللوت. Yes, me too صراحة فؤاد. It was bringing me heart attack for this, and that's why I don't like the scalp for me. But people who understand it well, like I understand the US 30, they are making huge amount of money. And by the way, my aim is to understand it, but I don't have the full time to stay, me personally, doing this. I will watch how it will happen. But for me, it should resume up. يعني as a swing, it should hit the swing take profit. TP2 and TP3 also. TP3 mainly, not only TP2. So for me in swing, I'm in the gold for swing, but not for scalp. easy. يعني اوقات تزبط معنا انه يلا اخذها للسكالب وزبطت معنا. Okay guys, this is everything for today. Amazing Monday guys. Congrats for every person who was in this live stream. Monday, Blue Monday as a total. We have one stop loss on gold. The other is great. Hope you will have an amazing day and enjoy your rest of the day. See you guys. Bye bye.